In this video, we're going to solve a system of linear equations using the substitution method. Recall that when we solve a system of linear equations, there are three possible outcomes. The first is that we have exactly one solution. The second option is that we could get no solution at all. And the third is that we could have infinitely many solutions. Not every point in the xy plane, but infinitely many solutions that lie on the equation of a line. So those are the three options. Now, we've seen the substitution method so far where we have exactly one solution. Let's see what happens in this video. Or with this system. So we have y equals negative 3x plus 3 as our first equation. And as our second equation, we have 3x plus y equal to negative 5. Now, if we want to look for which variable will be the easiest to substitute, we see that this y in our first equation could very easily be substituted into y in that second equation. So that step one of solving for one of the variables is already done here. So step one is already done. Looking at step two, we will replace y in equation 2 with negative 3x plus 3. And when we do that, we're going to get 3x plus, and I'll replace that y with negative 3x plus 3. And that is then equal to negative 5. When I go and simplify this equation, I'll get 3x, and then plus a negative 3x will be minus 3x, plus 3, all equal to negative 5. Now when I take 3x minus 3x, I'm left with 0x, which is just 0. So this equation simplifies down to 3 equal to negative 5. Now at this point, we want to ask ourselves, for what values of x and y does 3 equal negative 5? And the answer to the question, for what values of x and y does 3 equal negative 5, is none. There are no values of x and y for which that's true. So what this means then is that there's no solution to this system of linear equations. Now, in terms of checking, we've stated that there's no solution to this system of linear equations, so we don't have a solution to check. All we need to do at this point is state there's no solution to the system of linear equations. If we wanted to state the solution set, since there is not a solution, the solution set here would just be the empty set, which is often written as a wide kind of 0 with a backslash through it. You'll also see it sometimes as a curly brace and then another curly brace. In other words, two set braces with nothing in between them.